Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the display font size on your XPeng vehicle. So I am using the XPeng P7 Plus Performance. Now we're going to open up the vehicle settings. And from the vehicle settings, we're going to scroll down to display. And here we want to swipe through the hood. We want to go to screen display. And right here we have the font size. Now, this is the small. It is definitely way smaller. Now, here we have the medium and large. So, for me, the medium is definitely the best. But if you want to see more on your screen, you can easily do that with the small font. As you guys can see here, we see driver assistance. Now, we see everything much clearer. There's nothing and it just looks much smoother for me. So of course it applies to everything. Here we have it, and that's how you guys can change it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.